A twin island nation of over 86,000 people, nicknamed the land of 365 beaches due to its breathtaking shores, Antigua and Barbuda is paradise found. As partners, South News visited the Paradise Nation in mid-February in an ongoing effort to merge countries with the private sector in order to bridge the digital divide. This time with the World Ahead program, an initiative designed to increase access and quality of education through technology.
I wish to use the opportunity to commend the South News for its vision to advance the implementation of the Millennium Development Goals through the sharing of best practices in the areas of South-South and triangular cooperation.
South News believes in the importance of South-South and triangular cooperation. It is an important element of international cooperation for development. In the fight against poverty by delivering to disadvantaged community the adequate resources for development in the field of education, health, environment, capacity building, ICT, transfer of technology, among others.
I have to say that I'm extremely thrilled, very, very excited about this initiative, because with the South-South Cooperation and the involvement of the Ministry of Information, this is going to be a positive impact on the education system in Antigua and Barbuda. And I know that the thousands of Antiguan children and young people will be very happy at the outcome of this initiative.
The World Ahead program consists of computer and software giants Intel, Dell, and Microsoft, with South News, who have joined forces to help governments expand education through technology, as well as its access and usage for more people across the globe, while increasing internet connectivity and supporting digital content and services. Antigua and Barbuda is aligning itself to become the ICT capital of the Eastern Caribbean.
With this alliance, we can help you design a sustainable improvement project. And allow me to underscore sustainable, integrating the 4 elements of the education: the teachers, the students, the tools to assist the transference of knowledge. And in case you want to design, redesign, or take a look at other points of view, we can also point you to the right direction in regards to the educational content, which is the 4th element of the education.
Antigua and Barbuda is in the race. We are in the race. And this telecommunication infrastructure index really determines a number of things, or weighs a number of factors: broadband connectivity, mobile penetration, and a host of other things.
The initiative was launched by the Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, Mr. Baldwin Spencer, on February 17th, and joined by South News, who helped bridge the country with the ICT leaders while donating 15 computers to Antigua and Barbuda in support of the World Ahead program and the government.
With the signing of a memorandum between Antigua and Barbuda and Intel, the government will be implementing a central plank of its ICT policy, namely a public-private people partnership in the ICT sector that will implement the National Laptop Initiative, whose goal is to distribute up to 25,000 laptops to every child at the elementary, primary, secondary, and even tertiary levels by the year 2012.
Antigua and Barbuda is set on putting its people first, from installing wireless routers throughout rural communities who otherwise couldn't afford it, to its 911 center offering an automatic location identifier designed to automatically locate where an emergency call is coming from. The government has also created the Antigua and Barbuda Initiative, a community technology program providing internet access for school kids while en route.
The ICT sector can be competitive for Antigua in more ways than one, not just in telemedicine and teleeducation, but we want all of our hotels to have broadband internet. We want, when people leave their shores and their families, to be able to stay in touch. Of course, social networking is a big thing. The second thing is leveraging on wireless technologies, especially Wi-Fi and WiMAX technologies, working with the private sector, government itself acting as a catalyst to deploy new technologies.
We also visited one of the 120 daycare facilities of which the government has donated computers and software, allowing daycare managers in rural communities to be able to track and monitor progress while providing quick access to parent and hospital information with a click of a button. This initiative is also capacitating job creation throughout the country.
We've developed the software that we've given to the proprietors in an effort to, like I said, standardize data collection. In the next phase, what we're hoping to do is actually be able to introduce the children at such an early age to computers, to information technology. We've been exploring different types of hardware and software that are durable enough for children to play with, but they also have educational material.
It has changed because I've asked the parents to give additional information. Like, for instance, first we didn't have which doctor you use or pediatrician you use or allergies for the children. So we are more aware now of all the things that you would cater for the child.
Among its jewels, the island nation offers the sweetest pineapples in the world, lush green rainforests, and a beach for every day of the year. Antigua and Barbuda is not only putting its people first, it's putting its future on the top by boosting its education through technology. Afaf Kanja, South News, Antigua and Barbuda.